Hello there. Thank you for joining me. So today is on Friday. But today is the first day of many days where you're going to get to see me from today. So welcome to the live session. Let us do some analysis because there are potential setups today, and I hope you're going to place your trades from this analysis. So this week GBP USD has been buying from the get-go. You see, we will begin with CFTC. And I know CFTC is a very accurate document. So that will, now after we are done with CFTC, you'll understand why I'm going to take a trade today. I'm in a trade today on Friday. So normally I hate to take trades on Mondays and Fridays, but today seems like it's going to be a good day. So let's dive in. Now looking at GBP USD, GBP USD, we have 104 short contracts of the pound. So whatever pound it is, whether it's pound, CHF, pound, CAD, pound, whatever. Let me send this to people on Facebook. So CFTC is not only an important document, it's a document which you should be checking all the time, because the data which is put there is from hedge funds, and they are mandated to give us this information whether they like it or they don't like it. They have to give us this information. So for the pound, is another live session. So for the pound shows that we have been in a continuous sell for almost the past several months. Several months, by the way. Let me post this to these two groups. Then we can continue. Okay? So we have 104 short contracts as opposed to 48,000 long contracts. That's a very big difference, almost 2.5. So this means that all our positions should be leaning towards shorts. Now, we start off this analysis by noting that today because you don't just take a trade, you have to have a hypothesis for your trade. What is the hypothesis for your trade? Now I'm going to be giving you my hypothesis for my trade. So Friday trading. Number one is that we are currently on date 17. So the high of the month is usually formed between 14th to 20th. That is a back test I have done for some while, and it has proven that. So most of the highs or most of the lows are formed between 14th to 20th. Okay? Now, when we go to the daily time frame, we can see that this month opened with serious buys from the first day, from 6th April, all the way to what? 14th. Right now we are in 17th April. We opened with serious buys, and to me, I took that as price going to collect more liquidity as we anticipate for a major sale coming. So all these pips, I'm anticipating maybe all these pips are going to give us at least what we want. So this level here, where price is reacting from, I am taking this as my high of the month of April. So I'm anticipating that from this point onwards, we are going to be seeing sales up to this other level here, up to this level here, up to around 31,500. So 31,500. So already we have a high of the month, and then we have CFTC. So CFTC has given us the data which we need to take these trades, and the confidence. It is not just about the data. We also need confidence when taking these trades, and the confidence cannot come when we don't have the proper, what do we call this, the proper enforcement which we need to take these trades. So that is that. So today, from Wednesday, I am anticipating a sale up to level 31,500. Further, now we go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, my dear listener, 1 hour, on the 1 hour time frame, this was our high of the week. This is our high of the week, and it was retested a bit yesterday. So ideally the best place to get in would have been below this level here. So ideally the best place to get in would have been below this OB here. So we had a retest, then price came back to this OB. The next best place to get in is this level here now, according to me. Okay, so I'm already in on that GBP USD trade. So wait, am I audible? With CFTC, all right. So here was our high of the week. Then price came and broke below this OB here. Now we are beginning to see a sell towards the down level. Now this sell, I expect it to continue even in the coming week. I expect this sell to continue even in the coming week. Alright? So that is 1 hour time frame. So how many people are in the live session? Only two people. Okay, no problem. So that is my analysis on GBP USD. Now I don't let me look at Euro USD. So even GBP USD is beginning the journey. So I expect to see this price move continue up to the level up to around so these are long-term sell for me, and that is why I'm in right now. So I will not stay in the stream for too long, because what I wanted to deliver, I have delivered. Now we are going to come back maybe next week so that we can plan once again to understand where our positions are. So if price decides to turn back again, the level which I would anticipate for another sale is this inversion fair value gap level, which I'll be discussing on Monday. So for now, thank you for your time. And also wanted to introduce myself. This is Trading Cyborg, and we shall interact more. So thank you for your time, and let's meet on Monday.